Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to be looking at the spring equinox. And instead of me just telling you about it and teaching a lesson, I thought it would be really fun to read you guys a poem. So we are going to go ahead and read this poem, and it's called Spring Equinox. As the birds start to sing and the flowers start to bloom, we are promised something spectacular, something neat, something cool. So be on the lookout. Use your eyes and your ears. It's called the vernal equinox, and it only happens once a year. Night and day are nearly equal, 12 hours of day, 12 hours of night. Spring has sprung, this we know, because the vernal equinox has told us so. Alright, boys and girls, so that was our poem. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and we will be doing a lesson on this, and we'll get to write about it and learn more and more about it.